Preposition at versus in. Where we have to use at if it is a small village. If it is a small village. Okay. If it is a small village, like with a specific name, हम अगर कोई विलेज कोई स्पेसिफिक नाम के साथ बोले, if I talk about like शेवलवाड़ी, लक्ष्मी कॉलोनी, these are the small village in Maharashtra. Okay, so we have to use at before this small village name. Understood? And where we have to use at before specific time. Okay, to use in if there is no specific name of the village or it is a big cities and also town. अगर कोई विलेज की कोई स्पेसिफिक नाम नहीं बोला, ओनली वी सेड इट्स अ विलेज, तो उसके पहले हमें इन लगाना है. इफ इट इज़ अ बिग सिटीज और बिग टाउन, देन वी हैव टू यूज इन. अमल लिव्स ब्लैंक मंजरी. मंजरी इज अ विलेज नेम and it's a specific name. It's a small village. It's situated in Maharashtra. Okay, then we have understood, we have discussed that if it is a small village with specific name, then before that we have to use what? At. Yes, we have to use at. Sorry. Amal lives at Manjri. Okay. Now next, he lives blank Mumbai. Now we know Mumbai is a very big city in Maharashtra, right? So it's a big city. So he lives. Then if it is a big city, then what we have to use? In. Yes, you're right. In. He lives in Mumbai. Now, number 3. Soma lives blank a village. Now see, there is a condition. Here there is no specific name of a village, right? Only it is written here village. Then we know if it is only village, then we have to use in. Okay, Soma lives in village. अगर विलेज की कोई भी नाम नहीं है स्पेसिफिक, तो हमें उसके आगे इन लगाना है. ओके, नाउ उमेश lives blank a town. Now again there is another question from here. See, if there is a big cities or town, we have to use in, right? In. So Umesh lives in a town. Aparna gets up blank 6 a.m. Now see, if it is a specific time, then what would be the answer? Here, if it is a specific time, then we have to use at, right? Aparna gets up at 6 a.m. Number 6. He sings blank the morning. Then what would be the answer? Here there is another condition. If it is not mentioning any specific time, here the specific time, और यहाँ पे क्या है, कोई भी specific time नहीं है. Okay, like evening, morning, we have to use word in. Number 7, mom cooks blank night. Now tell me what would be the answer, and I will be waiting for you and answer this and let me know in the comment box what would be the answer. And I hope you have understood why we have to use this both of this preposition. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.